At meron kang ano may fisherman's friend? Yung maanghang. Hindi ko alam kung saan yung mas maanghang, yung puti o yung green. Kabisado mo na dito?
I love cars. I love cars too. Do you love cars? Great. Ready? Set.
Ganda ng office na nandun.
Go.
LGBT oh. LGBT flag.
See? That
Yung pa
beam is
LGBT
wiggling
flag.
a bit.
Flag
Do you
ng
see
Philippines, ginawang LGBT.
it? Let's tell him he
Hanip na
might
yun.
have a pee feeling.
Bancheto.
Bean, I
Saan?
think you might have a pee feeling. You're wiggling.
Saan? Ay, oo.
Maybe we should sit on the potty.
Gusto mo ba?
I have a pee feeling.
Ayaw mo?
We have to go
Sarap kaya.
potty. Let's go. Let's go.
Hmm?
Mahal yan.
Peed in a potty.
Di, pareho lang ng mga price namin. Hindi yan mahal.
Feel proud? Yeah.
Ano ba?
Sing it loud. And then to the
Pwede
potty.
naman bumalik.
Lalabas ka ba?
Now let's go
Hindi.
dump the pee in the big toilet.
Doon na lang.
We're going to pee in the toilet. Yay! And now we need to flush. Say flush. Flush. Bye-bye. Now we need to wash our hands.
Umuulan kasi kanina
Let's
daw
sing
eh,
our
kaya.
special hand
Parang tuyo
washing
yung kalsada
song.
daw. Sabi yung umuulan daw.
Tops and bottoms, tops and bottoms.
Hindi ka nag-iwan na ID?
Doon ako sa kabila dumaan.
Dito? Ba't hindi ka dum... Ba't di mo kinuha ID mo?
Wala na mga idea. Kinuha.
Ah, nag-ano ka lang? Hindi sila Hindi sila Hindi sila ka magkuha na ID?
Sabi niya. HSBC. Saan ba? HSBC. Kaya reso.
Ayos ah. Kung natandaan ka na yata ah.
Malapit lang naman kasi HSBC.
Ah,
Nakikita naman nila.
nakikita naman nila kung pumunta ka doon.
Una pa lang ID na isang kembot lang
Say
nandun.
flush and this pee will flush.
Di ba dito yung mabilis?
Bye bye pee. We don't need you anymore.
Depende kung walang traffic.
Eh dito nga yung mas matraffic, yung Pantandansoro yung matraffic, yung diretso.
After we eat, our body takes what it needs, and the rest turns into poop.
Dito yung mas mabilis eh.
Everyone poops.
Kasi wala masyado dumadaan dito. eh.
Flush, and this poop will flush.
Kasi nga wala na masyadong ano dito, establishment
We
na
don't need you anymore. Bye bye.
mga puntahan
Good
talaga.
job. Let's play a game together. Can you guess what
Pero
animal
mas
I'm
mabilis dito.
pretending to be?
Sa papawi.
Pauwi at sa papunta.
Ribbit,
Nga eh.
ribbit,
Dito mabilis.
ribbit, ribbit.
Dami ko siya nakapark.
Yes, I was a frog. How about this one? Meow. Meow.
Malamang yung mga nakatira yan doon na wala maparkingan, kaya nilagay na lang dyan.
Yes, I was a cat.
Iba dyan, ganyan-ganyan yung bahay,
I
pero may
have
kotse.
a pee feeling low in my
Mga ano
tummy.
ba?
That means I
Mga
should go
nakatira dyan
potty right
siguro, tapos
away.
pinark lang dyan.
But I'm having so much
Kasi
fun playing
puro
this game
skinita lang
here
yung
with
pwedeng
you.
daanan eh. Yung dikit-dikit talaga yung
I
mga bahay.
know. I'll hit
As in,
pause
isang
and
tao
be
lang
right
pwedeng
back.
dumaan.
Hit pause with me.
Hindi na pwedeng dumaan sa sasakyan eh.
I'll be right back.
Walang kalsada. Ito lang, kalsada. Yan.
I went to the potty and I feel so much better now.
So, ano no?
Now I
Yung
can play
Mentos
more.
Air.
Pretend to press the play button with me. Play. Guess what animal this is? Nay.
Kasi yung dalawa.
Can you gallop? Nay. Nay.
Tinitin ako. Kasi halala ka
I
ganun.
was a horse.
Nunood eh.
What animal are you pretending to be?
Very good na si halala. Hindi na siya
Great
nag-ano.
idea. You have great ideas. I think I'll be a bird now. Tweet, tweet. Tweet, tweet. That was so much
Dalawang
fun.
race naman ako kanina. Kaso nagmadali talaga ako. Kasi nangingi ako ng code. Sabi ko, may problema ako. May interview ako mamaya. 30 minutes. Pag pwede ba akong may ko? Sabi niya, hindi ko sure ganyan. Kasi yung ganyang oras din, ano yun, QB. Sabi niya, gusto mo, i-move ko na lang yung lunch mo. Minove niya na lang yung lunch ko.
Yes. And where does poop go? The
Malamang, pag
Let's
may
tell him. Bean, it looks like you're starting to poop. Let's walk to the
Normally pa
potty.
naman 1 hour
Poop goes in the potty. Let's go.
Are you okay, Nathan?
Here we go.
Tama.
Are you okay, Nathan? Do you wanna go to Lawson?
What?
Lawson. You wanna go to Lawson?
Mama,
Oh.
let's go to Lawson again.
Lawson na na.
You know why I
Sarap kami
said
chicken ulit na
again?
Did it.
You know why I said
Why?
again?
Dump your poop in the big toilet and
Because-
wash our hands.
Because we went to Lawson already when we when you were actually at
The office?
C.
Okay, so you went there when you sent me out of the office? When you sent me there?
Yellow.
Wow. What did you buy?
Because I was hungry.
Oh, you were hungry. You were eating food earlier before we
This mop isn't yellow, it's pink.
laki ng sindal, oh. Awan ko lang pag di mo makita yan.
Say yellow
Bro,
together.
naka-dumiretso.
On the count of 3, say
Naingat niyo.
yellow. 1,
Kanina nga, yung isa gulmiliko sa kanan pero ang signal kaliwa.
you did it! Yellow, yellow, yellow. Yellow.
It's time for the letter of the day.
May panyo ka
In
dyan.
the sensory bit
Ano ba
to
ba?
figure it out.
Sinahan mo?
Muka. Unas ko lang.
Great.
Mga mukha?
Let's start digging.
Hindi.
Dig, dig.
Wala akong panyo.
Wow, I see 2 little
Tanggalin ko na lang
ears.
jacket ko.
I wonder what animal it is. Let's keep digging. Dig, dig. Wow, look,
Hindi naman
friends.
siya.
What is
Ito, oh, tela to.
that?
Oh.
Yes, it's a pig. Let's act like pigs together.
Mantika.
It begins with the p sound. Let's see what else we can find.
Hindi sila naligo ngayon, ah.
Dig, dig. Say dig with me.
Sana may makipag-swap sa akin.
Wow. This is covered in cheese and yummy sauce, and it's fun to share with friends. What is it? Pizza. Yes, it's pizza. Let's pretend to eat pizza. What kind of pizza do you like? Wow. Pizza also
Want to
starts
eat
with the
veterinarian
sound.
pizza.
Can you do that?
Vegetarian.
Good job.
Veterinarian daw, veterinarian.
We have one more
Vegetarian
thing to
pizza?
Yes. That
Mm.
helps animals stay healthy.
Wow. This is something
Town
that Bean
center pala
loves to
to.
put his pee and poop in.
Yung video na yan, puro poop yung maririnig mo.
It's
Poop,
what
poop,
we've
poop.
been learning about today.
Kasi
Potty
poop,
also starts
pati,
with the
ano yun.
Pati video.
What letter makes that sound? Yes, P.
Pero grabe, million agad in how many
Pig,
days.
P, pizza.
Ang
and
advantage naman kasi nila sa Mr. Beast, yung gastos sa isang video.
Let's
Yung,
sing
kung
our peace
ikukumpara
song
naman yung
together.
gastos, napakalayo.
B,
Yung gastos nila, magkano lang kumpara sa kay Mr. Beast.
pieces,
So natural talaga, asahan mo na kung ganun kalaki yung gastos mo.
pieces.
Million sa isang video pa
Nice
lang.
work.
Parang nakakaya naman na hindi agad mag-million yun
What
sa
should you do after
million views agad yun sa isang
Wash with
araw.
soap and water. Read a book. Or eat a snack.
Nananampal ng pera to si Mr. Beast.
Yes, you should wash with soap and water to keep you safe and healthy. Good job.
Baka may Jollibee tayo
Pull out your
madaanan.
scarf and pretend with us.
Kaysa dun sa Maliano.
Lawson, di ba? Lawson.
Ay, losa na lang pala. Gusto ko kasi Nandi Gravy. Tapos yun yung gravy. Langay. Gusto ko yung kanta nila yan.
Hospital pa talaga Metro North na
Oo
yan.
nga eh.
Hindi pala siya clinic.
Hospital.
Hi, I'm Miss Erin.
Meet Erin.
Hindi yan yun, Han. Kasi yung...
The cars will give us a hint.
Ayan ba yun?
Yan yun, oo. Wait, Erin. Hindi ko nga narinig yung S eh.
Can you
Di
send
ba? Yan ba yung
Yung
hospital
PP.
na yan?
Oo, ano yan?
car?
Yan yun, yung pinapapuntahan sa atin.
Car.
Yung doctor ng ano, ng Paranaque.
Where are the cars?
Di ba yun malapit sa ano? Sa...
Yan yun, Mindanao up daw. Ayun na, Jollibee. Ay, Toso, dapat na.
Mama, this is my name sign.
Did you come up with your name sign?
Look. Our cars. We found our cars.
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 How many cars are there?
I found it.
Can you count? Can you count with me?
Wow, cars.
Let's go ahead and count. 1,
Sino ang ni Johnny? Ang ni Gravy.
4, 5, 6,
Sabaw.
7, 8. There are 8 cars.
Cars.
That means that today's number of the day is
Ikaw nga napaka-malalait. Kung isa nga lang yung mata mo eh. Malalait ka pa.
Hindi kasi nakakatawa yung ano, cars.
O ba't mas mahal ang uno dito?
Bakit? Ay, 52?
Mahal? Kaysa dun sa pina...
Talaga?
Oo. Alam mo yung...
Ay, 52 sila lahat to. Baka
Alam mo,
mahal na yun.
nadaanan ko dun kay sa
Kanina lang?
Commonwealth.
Kanina lang?
Pagka sa Queen lang. Ang bababa ng mga ano nila dun, Xfinity,
Commonwealth?
Total.
Kasi nandun lahat sila.
Total,
Kaya mura dun.
Xfinity, liban lang sa mga Shell at saka Petron ha.
I want
Doon ka pa duman kanina sa Bartica?
these. Here's his water.
Wala naman traffic. Tuloy lang din naman.
Pero mas malapit dito.
Kaya siguro yung unang hatid.
Depende sa ano ha, sa location din
He
kasi.
has a peak feeling. He walks to the potty,
So malamang
sits on the
kung
potty.
Tandang sura pala to eh.
tumaas ako sa 60 nung unang hatid-hatid ko sa'yo.
Sometimes we sit
Kasi
on
yun
the
yung
potty
araw na umuwi
for
sila Isay, di ba?
a little while. Let's pretend to be a
Unang hatid
clock
ko.
with our finger, and we'll wait.
Malamang may in-cap na nun, malamang na,
Dum,
ay hindi pa.
tick, tock.
Wala pa, wala.
Ah di, meron na kasi implement yung in-cap, nandun si Isay sa atin eh.
Ah,
Then we wash our hands.
gusto ko talaga na may undergravy ha. Hindi lang tayo sa may undergravy.
An octagon. An octagon has 8 sides.
Gusto mo na.
Will you help me count the sides of an
Huh?
octagon?
You want KFC, Nathan?
2,
Nathan, do you want KFC?
4,
Yes.
Ano? Ang KFC dito.
Kanina, nadaanan tayo dalawa.
7,
Wala.
8. An
Wala pa
octagon
naman tayong
has 8
internet.
sides.
It's actually
An
found
octagon
in.
is also the
Here
shape
it
of a
goes.
Ah, dun sa Jollibee sa may
Stop
Stop
sign.
din
It's
naman.
actually found in
The
the.
stop sign tells
Ay,
drivers
hindi
when
gravy
to
din ba?
stop.
Here it
The
goes.
stop sign also reminds
Where
me
the,
to stop
where the other path is found.
right when I need to go.
Nalipang
Thanks
ako
for
sa
helping me
aking
count the
luwan.
sides of an octagon.
Muntik
Taas
na.
na tayo lahat. May lusot din naman yan, pero
Pero mag-U-turn ka.
That bean is so hungry.
Kakaliwa
What do
sa
we
kanina.
need when we're so hungry? Yes, a snack.
ko kaya biglang ano
He likes his
yung
banana.
sa team namin, biglang
Let's pretend
nilipat
that
ng
later
LC
he has a
live
poop
chat.
feeling.
Feeling ko dahil hindi siya nag-a-apply sa iba.
Looks like he's pushing.
Parang lahat kami nag-a-apply.
The poop goes
Ibang
in the
process.
potty.
So, pag hindi nag-a-apply, lilipat nila.
He's
Sa LC.
pooping in
Kasi
the potty.
kailangan nag-train nga
Let's
sila
tell him,
diba?
you
So
can
baga,
do it. We're here with
hindi ka
you.
iiwan kagad ulit
You
nito.
can
Parang
do
gano'n.
it. He
Gulat na lang kami, biglang LC na si Mike. Sabi niya, kala namin late ka. Sinabi pa namin late ka. Sabi ni Kyle.
What do we
Sabi
do
niya,
next?
Di, plano lang ako ng ginawang LC. Sinabi lang sa akin yung off ko.
Toilet paper.
Kaya wala naman na LC ka. Yung off ko lang.
Ah, titrain.
Tinanong ko okay lang ba? Sinabi ko okay lang, wala naman akong choice.
Wipe until the paper's clean.
Akala ko may yung dalawang bago yung ginawang LC. Hindi ko sila tinetrain, nag-aantay na sila. Ako dun eh. Tinrain siya ngayon, bukas LC na siya. Grabe. Kakaloka.
Nathan, you use the inhaler, kuya.
What?
I have a question.
Use the inhaler.
Did you ever wear
Bakit?
diapers?
Nag-ano siya?
If you feel
We all
sick.
wore diapers. And
You
we
feel
all
sick,
were
kuya?
going to the potty.
And we all learned at different ages, and that's okay.
Look at these
Use the
pictures
inhaler.
of
Pagkamit mo ang inhaler.
babies.
Huwag mong bitayin na.
Kuya, here oh.
Oh, that's so cute. Want to see a picture of me in diapers?
Do you feel sick?
No.
Yeah.
You know
I'm
daw.
cute.
You're doing...
We all wore diapers, and then we learned to use the potty. Just like
There's
you.
no inhaler
You're
here.
doing a great job.
Kabila.
So are your grown-ups.
Hindi ko upod. Hindi ko upod eh.
Good job.
Tanggalin ko na lang yung sipyo. Nasa delikado ko siya. Mamachupa tayo ng...
Bean, I think your body's sending you a message. If Bean
Gusto ko na
feels
Levi.
so tired, what is his body telling him? Yes, that it's time to sleep. It's time for a nap. Let's put on your sleeping underwear.
Buti na
This is
na-discover
just
mo
for
to
nap
bago tayo
time.
pumasok sa
And at
ano, no?
night. Okay, there.
Kuya oh. Try to inhale this.
There you go.
Kuya.
I ate some.
No, I mean, you inhale.
Bean will have a nice nap, and then it will have energy to play later. Can you help me get him to sleep? If we sing a lullaby, I think it will help him sleep. Should we sing in a quiet voice or a loud voice? Yes, in a quiet voice. Twinkle, twinkle, little star.
Here.
You just
how I
keep it with you.
Sniff it. Sniff.
Buti quiet si Halit. Wala ba naman siya yung nag-amok sa biyahe?
Ano lang kasi pinilipat ni Nathan yung video.
Nag-react lang.
For helping
Hindi
me.
mo namiyak.
Bean is asleep.
Ay.
Bakit? Mag-U-turn siya.
It looks like Bean is almost up. I'm up.
Bagal lang.
Did you have a good
Driver.
nap?
Boy, ang laki niyan. Wag ka muna gumalaw. Stop ka muna.
Now we can take off the sleeping underwear and keep playing and practicing using the potty. Hooray! I'm so proud of you, Bean Bear.
Kanina yung motor,
Truck pala yung
diretso
nasa
lang
likod
ah.
natin.
He's so
Car.
big. There are so
Saka
many
ako
things
sabi
you
ko, ba't
can do
parang
now that
pader?
you're bigger.
I'm done.
Make a big block tower.
Just leave it, kuya.
You can ride a
Just keep it
scooter.
with you.
You can use different things at the playground. What's your favorite thing about becoming a big kid? Wow, it's amazing to see how you're learning and growing.
I have to go potty.
Nagwa-wonder ako sinong boses yung ano na yan. Si Bean Bear.
I listen to my body. Yes, I
Siya pa rin.
I can't wait.
Diyan sa lubong.
Pee and poop in the potty.
You got it.
I have to go potty.
Now let's go dump this poop and wash our hands.
Okay. I did it. I did it. I went to the party. You did it. You did it. You went to the party. My grown-up said today was the day. My grown-up said let's put the diapers away. I was ready to be warm and dry. I was ready. I just had to try. It's party time. It's party time. It's party time. It's party time.
It can be hard to learn something new, but I know you can do it. Always remember,
One way lang to, no?
great kid.
It's party.
O, ito rin yung way na ayun pa kita. Ba't kaya kina-close-close na dito, no?
Ayun naman ako na close.
Ha?
Ba't may barikada?
Oo, may mga barikada.
Para hindi makapasok yung mga tao.
Ah, bawal sa truck.
Here.
Ako. Aka na.
Jollibee na lang.
Oo.
Only
No
gravy.
KFC.
KFC. Walang, saan may KFC?
There's no KFC ko eh.
Sayang naman, nagpasan na natin kanina.
French fries and squid.
Yeah, let's go to Jollibee.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way.
There's French fries in Jollibee too.
One horse open sleigh.
Hey guys, come join me on the pretend sleigh.
We'd love to.
Dashing through the snow in one horse open sleigh. O'er the fields we go.
Makatakot yung mga tulog nila. No?
Jollibee kuya. Ethan,
Yeah.
Jollibee.
How about instead we go to Lawson? Lawson is more correct.
We don't have gravy in Lawson. Let's
Yeah.
do Jollibee. Jollibee na lang.
There's no gravy in Lawson.
Yeah, there's no gravy. There is, but it's not tasty.
Let's sing up on the housetop together. You sing with me? Here we go. Up on the housetop, wave your paws. Out jumps good old Santa Claus. Down through the chimney with lots of toys.
parking nila.
I accidentally put it on. I accidentally put this slime into my eyes.
Ah, the Vicks?
Yeah.
Does it hurt?